Welcome to the TerryTracker channel and welcome to the vlog. Tonight we are still in Ostend, Belgium. At least Grant isn't in the toilet tonight though.
Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Anywho, have another walk down the promenade. This time we're going to go for ice cream and waffles. That's a whoop whoop chicken soup.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just
waffles and ice cream.
You don't know how much
it's a lot busier tonight.
Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
Anywho, I didn't do a review of my waffles and ice cream. 9 out of 10. Grant, however, what do you think? You weren't as impressed. 7 out of 10. He reckons the waffles in South Africa are better.
Monkey Lane.
Nope, nope.
Place called Monkey Lane.
I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
And just like that, we are back. Anywho, from Grant, from me, see you all on the next one.
Whoopity whoop, me chicken soup.
And now it's time to do your job.